Welcome to What's in the Group.
Hey, everybody.
Destin does not know the post I've pulled, so I'm going to pull one for you. This first one is not even from one of your groups. Okay. And I just wanted to get your professional opinion on this. It says, did a thing this week. No more lap sealant for our girl. Eternabond really is a one and done.
That is so bad.
Why is it bad?
So, the Eternabond is designed to be a patch.
Okay.
And typically, so let's just talk about all manufacturers, right? There's no manufacturers that are out there. If it was such a great product, then why would all the manufacturers not be using it? Right? Mm-hmm. And when they say Eternabond or any of the bond tapes, the die-cord tape, there's other brands, that stuff is stuck on there like crazy. Mm-hmm. So it's like taking duct tape and sticking it to the side of the wall, mm-hmm. thinking you're going to deflect the water out of the coach. What's going to happen is that the plastic membrane that's on that Eternabond tape, that's going to get sun damaged just like anything else that's plastic on the roof. So your AC covers, your vents covers, your plumbing vents, your stove vents, any of that stuff that gets brittle and falls apart, basically that's what's going to happen to this. Mm-hmm. And so now what they did is they band-aided over the top of the existing sealants. So, now it's covered. If they ever have to remove any of that stuff, mm-hmm. it's going to take forever to get that off there. They're never going to be able to hide it without, replacing the whole roof material. Mm. I mean, I would not do that to anybody's coach. That just devalued their whole coach to me.
Okay.
So, like, if you're going to put it on there, like, say you have a situation where something's let loose and you're in transit and you damage the tree branch or something come loose, go ahead, put it on there and patch it, but take some pictures so you can show your insurance company so that you can say, hey, here's where it was torn, here's why I put this on there. It's not designed to be something that's flexible, that gives and flexes with the coach. If you're going to put it on there, then you're going to need to want to seam the edges all the way around it, because it's going to shrink up, and then it's going to curl, and it's going to make like little toothpick-sized journals, and it's going to allow the water to get up underneath of it, and it's going to get right down in there where you don't want it in the first place.
Okay.
So I'm not a fan of that at all. I would not do that.